Hello, welcome to another session on mensuration. In the previous few videos, we had seen the volumes and surface areas of cube and cuboid. We were supposed to take up learning surface area of four walls of a room. If you are asked to find the surface area of four walls of a room, that means if I draw a figure here, these turn out, I'll shade the portion which are the roof and the top, floor. Those will not be then included. Okay, let me shade this part which are the top. This is the top part, sorry. So only this part is the top and this is the floor. These are not to be taken into consideration. That means they are length, breadth and length, breadth. So from the total surface area of the of this cuboid, we'll subtract 2 length plus breadth, thereby giving us the formula as 2 into this total. What is the total surface area of a cuboid? It's 2lb plus 2bh plus 2lh. So 2lb will be removed, so I am left with 2h, so it is L plus B, or you can write B plus H, this centimeter square. Let's now take a few questions, maybe one or two. The first one I'll write out here. It says the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meters. Its height is 6 meters. We have to find the cost of painting. Sorry, it's kind of overlapped that figure. Painting its 4 walls, that includes the doors if at all, at the rate of rupees 6 per square meter. We already have written the formula there on the top. See, this 2 into height into L plus B, the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle, which is each face of the cuboid, is 2 into length plus breadth. Now if I multiply height to the perimeter, that actually gives us the area of the 4 walls. So in this question, area of the 4 walls will be perimeter multiplied by the height, which is given as 6. Perimeter is 250 multiplied by 6, that would give us 1500 meters square. This is simple. Let's take up another question which might include any of the previous learnings from previous videos. I will write here, need some more space. This is one of the very common questions you would come across under mensuration. 2 cubes, which is each of 10 centimeter of edge, they are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. That means, if I'm just making you try to visualize, these are the 2 cubes. If they're made to join and they result into a cuboid, so this means the length of the cuboid becomes this one. What is the formula of finding the surface area of a cuboid? 2lb plus bh plus lh. Now we need to first write what becomes our length. length becomes like 10 plus 10, that becomes 20, because each of this was given as 10. So this was 10 and this was also 10 centimeters. Rest of them would remain same, because breadth and height will remain as it is, like 10 and 10. So breadth will be, B will be 10 centimeters and height will also be 10 centimeter. Now you simply can apply the formula. I'm not calculating this one, you can do it by yourself, writing LB plus BH plus LH to find the answer. I now write another one. Here, okay with the space, I guess. Okay, it says the length of a hall is 20 meters and width 16 meters. The sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof is equal to the sum of the areas of the four walls. Yeah. What do we have to find? We have to find the height and the volume of the hall. Find the height and the volume of the hall. We know now that the length of a hall will be because we have to find the height of the hall. Let us assume, I'll write it down here. Let's take the height to be, let us take the, oh, there is a spell mistake, kindly ignore that. Height to be h meters. So the area of the four walls, that's kind of written there on the top, is 2LB plus BH plus H. Sorry, I didn't write it there, it was in the previous page, I think. This will be 2 length plus breadth into height, or the perimeter, multiplied by the height. This is the volume. This will be given as, we have to find the sum of the 2 into length is given to be 20, which is given to be 16. We have assumed h to be height. So this is equal to 36 to 72 h meters square. This is the area of the four walls of the room. Now it says sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof. So that is breadth, length into breadth plus length into breadth. So 2LB. 2LB will be 640 meters square, right? It is also given that sum of the areas of the four walls is equal to the sum of the areas of the roof and the top. That means 72h will be equal to 640. That would make h to be 640 by 72. I'm getting this in decimals, so let it be as 8.88 meters. If the height is so, we can find the volume by multiplying length into breadth into height, which is 8.88. So that's, I think, given me some 2844. Decimal is there, but I'm just taking up the first few significant numbers, so it is 2844 meter cube. So hope you followed. We continue in the next video. Thank you.